Hey guys, today let's learn how to make money using Leonardo.ai. So if you guys want to go ahead and create money or basically make a living out of, well, Leonardo AI, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys step by step just how to basically do this. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first in order for us to accomplish this is to go ahead and launch the Leonardo.ai website. Now, before you go ahead and basically utilize Leonardo AI to make money, of course we need to go ahead and find a specific niche for us to cater our services. So let's say that we are basically looking for some people who needs some specific photos or just some AI photos for their content. We could actually offer our services to them that we could actually go ahead and create a photo of what they would like and basically utilize Leonardo AI for us to do that. So in this case, I would like you guys to go ahead and launch the Leonardo.ai website. So what we need to go ahead first is search for Leonardo.ai, wait for this to load, and once this is done, let's tap on Launch App right here. Let's go ahead and tap on Yes, I'm whitelisted, and then it's going to go ahead and launch the Leonardo AI application. Now from here, let's go ahead and tap on AI image generation, and then we can actually now go ahead and create our own images on this website. So as you see, we do have a number of specific settings over here that we could actually go ahead and edit, like the number of images, prompt magic, and a lot of different settings as well. But in this case, the default settings is going to be good for me, and all we need to do is to go ahead and enter the specific prompt that we need to go ahead and make using Leonardo AI. And of course, if you do have a client involved right here, we need to go ahead and get the specific prompt that they need, and then go ahead and copy and then paste it over to Leonardo AI right here on the AI image prompt. So let's say that the client wants, let's say, Arnold with a Thor hammer. So let's go ahead and tap on generate, and let's see what the specific software is going to show us with that prompt. And as you see, it basically created some form of Arnold or Arnold Schwarzenegger about, well, him holding a Thor hammer. And if the client actually needs this, go ahead and just save this onto your device and then send it to them, and then, well, of course, charge for a specific fee or what your rates are for you to earn money and make money using Leonardo AI. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and take care.